Here it is. Everyone around you is using AI, and you still haven't started. In the next 2 minutes, you'll know exactly what getting started with AI tools actually means, how each path works in practice, and the one first step you can take today. I'm Caroline C. from AI Pro Studios. You don't need technical knowledge to start, and you don't need months of setup. At AI Pro Studios, there are 2 paths: quick tools, lightweight, instant, no code. They live inside ChatGPT, Claude, etc., built for right now. Captions, blog ideas, headlines, like done in seconds. Core agents are different, like persistent, memory-based, built on the OpenAI Assistant's API. They remember your brand, your documents, your goals, and they get smarter the more you use them, which means getting started with AI tools can be one click today or a full system tomorrow. You choose the pace. Here's what that looks like for real teams. Fast, easy, no setup. Week 4, a core agent that already knows your brand voice, your tone, your audience. You didn't repeat yourself once, which means getting started with AI tools isn't just a moment, it's a process that builds. The question to ask yourself is this: do I need a result right now or a system for the long term? Quick tools for right now, core agents for the long game. Either way, getting started with AI tools starts with one click, not a complete overhaul. The full guide is in the description, including our tools and agents at AI Pro Studios. If you found this helpful, it would mean a lot if you subscribed. And I'd love to know in the comments, what's the first AI tool you'd try for your business? If you're curious what's possible for your business, come and explore at aiprostudios.com.